The month of June brings Pride celebrations throughout the 5 boroughs, but the One Bronx Pride Festival brought it straight to the South Bronx. Rainbow flags waved in unison as festival goers along 3rd Avenue enjoyed the warm weather, entertainment, and celebrated unity in a judgment-free zone.
I feel comfortable coming out here knowing that nobody's judging me on, who I'm dating, who I love, and stuff like that.
Love is Love was only one of the themes prevalent at the 2nd annual One Pride Bronx Festival, as organizers and festival participants worked to promote unity throughout the Bronx with an emphasis on more support and services for LGBTQ communities in the borough.
The goal is to have all of the services provided for the LGBT community to be under one umbrella.
Event exhibitors included several health and wellness-based organizations, including the Latino Pride Center, whose goal is to serve an underserved community.
We do our efforts, we try to get the most possible support from the community, and people used to think that we already have rights and we have everything covered, but it's a marginalized community.
The One Bronx initiative sets out to unite the borough and promote community inclusion and open dialogue, and festival goers are excited to see Pride events in the Bronx.
It feels good to be in the Bronx. I always go to Manhattan. I've never been in one in the Bronx where I've been from, and it's really nice to see like they do something for the Bronx.
I'm from the Bronx, Bronx native. I don't live in the Bronx anymore, but I'm excited there's actually a Bronx Pride. There's Manhattan Pride, there's Queens Pride, there's Brooklyn Pride. There is an emphasis on the Bronx. We need to take care of our Bronx people.
Representatives from both Governor Cuomo's office and Public Advocate Letitia James's office were in attendance with proclamations for the One Bronx Pride Festival Committee's work in the community and to proclaim Pride Day in the Bronx.
That's huge that we're getting the recognition for this to be the official Bronx Pride Day.
And the final word?
It's okay to be whoever you want to be, whoever you are, and that we're here for you. You're not the only ones, you're not alone, and acceptance is everywhere.
Reporting for BronxNet, I'm Naomi Yanni.